And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 137. Let me show the Magic Wand tool. It's a selection tool. Works the same way in Illustrator when you're familiar with it from Photoshop. So you can use it and then select objects that have the same characteristics. For example, here, the color. If I click on the top left one, the ones below it are selected as well. And that's because they have the same fill color. And here it selects even 3 of the greenish ones in the top row and the 3 ones in the middle and bottom row. Then we deselect everything and we select the Magic Wand tool, and then under properties you will find the tool options on the right hand side. If you can't find the properties, just left click on it right here on the window. We open the tool options with the left click, and as the Magic Wand tool is active, we can see the tool options for that tool. Just make sure that here via these 3 stripes, you can also see the transparency and the stroke options. And I'll guide you through it. Again, we've used the fill color so far, and the tolerance is then basically the range that's selected. And the range for colors goes from 0 to 255, as there are 256 colors for each channel. For example, in RGB. So red, green and blue. And therefore, if I go down here, I only select one of these green circles, and the higher I go, the more of these will be selected with one left click, as it covers more and more of these colors within the color range. And at around 100, you can see almost every circle is selected except for the one on the right. So this is how that works. Simply set the value to what you need, and then always check with the left click on your canvas how much is being selected. We can do that not just with the fill color, but also with stroke properties. Here, for example, the stroke color, once again, goes from 0 to 255. Also works for the stroke weight. Here in this case, it's per point. The ones on top don't have a stroke, so I can select them all with one left click. The ones at the bottom do have a stroke. Opacity can be used, for example, here in the middle row. The ones on the left have a different opacity, and you can also use the blending mode. Again, by default, the fill color is active, and you can change that under the 2 options. If you wanted to use it, here you can see I left click on one element. It selects everything on the canvas that has fill color that's inside of the color range, and then I can delete it. And this I can use the Magic Wand tool in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.